I'm going to show you how with two simple things, aluminum foil and blue painter's tape, you can preview laser engravings with the LaserPecker 4 or 5 using the 450 nanometer blue laser. So we just take some aluminum foil with the blue painter's tape. This is the sticky side up. And then we flip that over and we put it on our item. So this dog tag here. You can see the aluminum foil edges so that you can make sure that your engraving ends up over the aluminum foil to keep the item safe. Make sure you inline your engraving over the aluminum foil. And the settings we're going to use for this is 1K for the resolution, and then we're going to be using the 450 nanometer blue laser. We're going to be using a power of 85, a depth of 38, and we're just going to be doing one pass. You can see that was real time. It was very quick. And then we can see a preview of what we're engraving on our item to make sure we have proper alignment on where we're engraving it. So here what we're going to do is test when we burn through the aluminum foil to make sure we don't go that far with our settings. This is going to be using the 450 nanometer blue laser with a resolution of 1K. The power is always going to be at 100%, and then we're going to have varying depths to see when we go through it. You can actually see we were safe all the way up to our max depth, which was at 72. In previous testing, right about 72 is when it starts to burn through. This is super helpful when doing tumblers, especially if you try and do a full wrap where you're going all the way around and you want to see if you have proper alignment. And it's a way to test without ruining the item that you're doing this with. So with the tumbler, you can wrap the whole thing with aluminum foil and then wrap your paper's tape around it.